Hey, welcome to Simple and Kendrick. Today, we're doing another bar food favorite, chicken quesadillas. Hey, before we dive into this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification, and share this video. Let's get it, let's go. All right, let me introduce you to the ingredients. I'm going super simple with this, guys. I have our tortilla shells. I have cheddar and pepper jack cheese mixed together that's grated up. I'm using a low sodium taco seasoning, salt and pepper. We're going with chicken breast. We have red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onions. We're gonna mix all this together. We're gonna have a delicious quesadilla. Let's go. Hey, I want to take a quick second to let you know that all of my videos are sponsored by Clorox Disinfectant Wipes. All right, guys, we're gonna keep it real simple. Have my chicken breast. What I went ahead and did was just went ahead and cut those in halves like so. Just gonna separate it like this. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our taco seasoning. Just a little. Just a little. We're just gonna keep it real simple. Just kind of rub this in like so. Come back with a little pepper. To have some flavor, real quick and simple. Then we're doing chicken quesadillas. I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy this. Real quick and simple. Those over like so. Season on both sides. Remember, this is low sodium taco season. Once again, pepper. Like so. Then on this side, I'm going to come with some salt. Just like that. Just kind of rub it in. And also it's going to help give it that beautiful color that we're looking for. Very good. Let's prepare our skillet and let's get going. All right, over medium heat. Using a little oil. And cook those down. Flip them. I'm gonna do both sets. Come back, prepare our vegetables. All right, guys, beautiful, rich color. That's what we were looking for. Just like that. Now it's time to add our veggies. Just gonna add just a little oil in there. Onion, green bell pepper. Red bell pepper. We're just going to saute these just a little bit. We don't want to overcook them or anything like that. Just want to get a nice little saute to them. Looking good, smelling good. We in here. The game is almost coming on just in time. All right, guys, this is the color that we want. Take these out like so. All right, guys, let's prep our quesadilla. So, basically going to about a teaspoon of butter. Spread it all around. Like so. Then we're going to one side, we're going to add a little cheese. Add some chicken to the party. And don't forget, you can dress this up however you like to do it. This is your quesadilla. You can just use chicken and cheese. You can just use veggies and cheese, however you desire to do it. I'm gonna add a little more cheese on top. Let that pepper jack give me a little heat that I like. Like so. All right, guys, this is exactly the color that you desired. Oh my God, look how gorgeous this look. Smelling good, looking good. Oh, we on point. Let's plate up and let's get ready to eat. All right, guys, thank you for coming along this journey with me. Time for the taste test, the moment of truth. It is definitely game time. Simply delicious. Quick and simple chicken quesadillas, you must give it a try. Again, thank you for joining Simply Kendrick. Till next time, spread love.